I live here in Circleville, Ohio. I garden in a zone 6A. I'm so excited to debut my new YouTube channel with you guys. It is called Garden 1842 and Home. The reason I chose to name my YouTube channel Garden 1842 and Home is because, of course, our house was built in 1842. That's before Texas was a state, you guys. But the other reason is my heart, because my son's baseball number was number 8 all the way since he was a toddler. So it really means something to me. It's a passion project for sure. We moved into this home about 4 years ago, and it had gardens, but it needed some tender loving care. I was not a gardener, but now I am. So I just want to have you guys come along on the journey with me. Circleville, Ohio is known for the Circleville Pumpkin Show. And the main thing is the farmers will grow these huge pumpkins that are like 1,000 pounds or more. It's so fun. If you've never been, you should look it up and try to come someday. With fall coming, I'll be decorating, and I'll have to redo this porch. I'll have to redecorate my whole entire house because I love to decorate. The purpose of this video is just to introduce myself to you guys and to let you see the gardens, to let you see the outside of the home, and so enjoy a little tour, and I'll meet you guys in the backyard by the fountain. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that little tour. I hope it was peaceful. And stay tuned, because, you know, I just showed you the good, the bad, and the beautiful, because nothing's ugly here. And we have so many things that we need to get done. I got some issues going on with some spider mite damage right now, and we got some projects we got to get done. So keep following me, and I hope that this video will inspire you to find what makes your soul happy. Go find your passion.